If you want to put weather widget on your home screen on the Google Pixel 10 Pro, let me quickly show you how you can do this. So first of all, you have to click and hold empty space on your home screen, just like that, and go for widgets. Next, I will recommend you to go for the browse, and here go for the weather widget. So scroll down, go to the Pixel weather, and you can find two of them. The first one and the second one, the differences in the size and in the information. Let's say that I want to get a bigger one, so I have to just click on it and click add. Now as you can see, that widget is available on my home screen. I can change its size, so I can make it bigger, smaller, and by changing its size, I can also view some additional information, just like this. Now when you click outside, you will apply that widget on your home screen. You can also move it between screens by clicking, holding, and then dragging it into the another screen. And if you click on that screen, you will open the Google Weather application.